The new FD is a click-type torque wrench with wireless torque data transmission. The user can record all actual applied torque data in quick-paced assembly work. With wireless communication distance up to 20 meters, the FD sends data to a wireless receiver box, which is connected to a PLC and/or PC. Actual applied torque data is recorded to PC software or PLC. Bidirectional communication allows the user to check OK and NG judgment both on the torque wrench and PC software. Many interchangeable heads are available, including spanner, ring, ratchet, and notch. Communication setting can be changed wirelessly using our optional SB-FH256 setting box. Tohnichi provides free setup software to make setup easier. For prevention of double tightening, our special model FDD is available. Sometimes the user accidentally tightens the same bolt twice. If the user tightens the same bolt twice, FDD doesn't send data and tells the user that the bolt was tightened twice using a red light. FD and FDD are the data transfer torque wrench that will contribute to quality improvement in your assembling operation.